Throughout the properties you manage, use the Dri-Eaz Sahara Pro X3 portable blower to dry carpeted areas, walls, or ceilings after floods or leaks. Make sure to remove all standing water before drying carpets, wet floors, or flooded areas. Place the blower in front of the area being dried, unwrap the power cord, and plug it into a standard outlet. It uses 3 to 4 amps depending on the speed you choose. Turn the blower switch on and select your speed. The wetter the surface being dried, the higher the speed should be. You can choose from 3 speeds and 3 positions depending on what you are drying. Set the blower flat on the floor for focused, fast drying for wet carpets. The unit's underside vent ensures there's no damp spot left underneath the blower. When drying walls, place the air mover at an angle. To dry ceilings, direct the airflow straight up. Have a large area to dry? Daisy chain up to 4 blowers on low per 15 amp circuit using the unit's GFCI outlet. To dry flooded areas, team the blower with a Dri-Eaz dehumidifier. The blower evaporates the water in wet materials, and the dehumidifier removes the moisture from the air to allow materials to truly dry. You can stack up the Dri-Eaz portable blower for compact storage until the next drying job.